I am leaning into this camera because this is a most imperative thing for you to grab and understand. I'm going to say it real slow. This is about WOIT versus WIIT. You've probably heard it before. You've probably heard working on the business instead of working in the business. So let me do a little explanation about what that means. So WOIT means working on it. And when you're working on your business, what are you doing? You're determining where your business is going to be 3 years down the road, 5 years down the road. Determining, hey, do I want to sell this puppy to someone internally? Or do I want to sell it to somebody else? I'm thinking strategic thinking, strategic. I'm not paying bills. I'm not doing marketing. I'm not doing any of that. I'm just thinking, and strategizing about what this business could be and how do I get that business there. I'm working on myself to make myself a better leader, a better manager, a better strategist, if you will, a better financial wizard. Hey, no, everybody likes to be a wizard. Now there's WIIT. That's working in it. When you're at the front counter, answering the phone, writing estimates, selling jobs, going out in your shop and putting out fires, helping technicians diagnose something or test something or driving the customer home, that's working in it. So I'm going to challenge you to take every Tuesday and make it your WOIT day. Don't get caught in the WIIT. Do the WOIT. Hey, I love this concept. And it works, folks. It works. It's proven for many, many years to work. So this WOIT, working on it Tuesday. Hey, how about that? And you can work IIT on Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. That's up to you. Give me a call. We'll discuss it. 270 282 1262. Thank you. Hope to hear from you soon.